The Nifty opened with a gap up and continued to inch higher throughout the day, ending the day on a positive note up 128 points. The market was also positive with 1044 advances to 454 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis Bank, Infosys, ITC, TCS, State Bank of India were some of the stocks which held the Nifty and traded higher. On the downside, Bharti, Reliance, Lupin, ONGC and Idea closed the day on a negative note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that today for the 7th trading session, the Nifty has closed the day on a positive note. This is quite a remarkable achievement. On the daily charts, you can observe that this downward sloping resistance trend line has been breached and the Nifty has closed above that, which is an extremely bullish sign. Our sense is that the positive momentum shall continue in the coming trading sessions. 8310, which was our initial short-term target, has been met today, and so we have further revised our short-term target to 8467, which is the previous swing high. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading along the hourly upper Bollinger Band, which has been expanding, and it has been trading along the hourly upper Bollinger Band. So this indicates that whenever or if the Nifty gives a dip, then that should be bought into, as the trend is well and truly intact, and the Nifty is trading above crucial supports of 20 and 40 daily moving averages, hourly moving averages. So there are numerous supports for the Nifty on the downside. So any dip that the Nifty gives should be bought into. On the downside, 8300 and below that 8250 are crucial supports. On the upside, 8400 and 8467 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was the clear outperformer in today's trading session, up by more than 2.5% in today's trading session. Our sense is that the Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks shall continue its positive momentum in the coming trading sessions. It has closed above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages in the past. In the last trading session, it closed around that 20 and 40 daily moving averages zone, and in today's trading session, it just took off and never just really gave off its gains and held the day quite well. And the Bank Nifty stocks as well, like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and all the and some of the PSU heavyweights of PSU Bank, like State Bank of India, all also closed the day on a positive note. So yes, the momentum is well and truly intact in the Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks and banking stocks. So our sense is that the positive momentum should continue in Bank Nifty as well. 18,500 and 18,832 are crucial resistances. 18,500 is the 20-week moving average for the Bank Nifty. Our sense is that that could act as a crucial resistance, and above that 18,832, which is the previous swing high on the daily chart of Bank Nifty, shall act as crucial resistances. On the downside, 18,000, which is a psychological level, and below that 17,860 are crucial supports for Bank Nifty. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Today the Nifty short-term target of 8310 has been met, and so we have revised the short-term target to 8467, the reversal placed at 8199 on the downside. So that's all for the day. Thank you.